प्रियंका चोपड़ा की फिल्म मैरी कॉम बॉक्स ऑफिस पर आई। इस फिल्म की सभी ने जमकर की तारीफ। हाल ही में रानी मुखर्जी की फिल्म मर्दानी भी बॉक्स ऑफिस पर रिलीज हुई, जिसका कंटेंट ऑडियंस को काफी पसंद आया। विद्या बालन की डर्टी पिक्चर और कहानी को लोग आज तक भुला नहीं पाए हैं। लेकिन फिर भी बॉलीवुड की ये हीरोइंस काफी नाराज हैं। इन हीरोइंस का मानना है कि बॉलीवुड आज भी जेंडर बायस्ड है। यहाँ हीरोइंस की फिल्म को हमेशा अलग तरह से देखा जाता है और ऐसा माना जाता है कि ये हीरोइन ओरिएंटेड फिल्म है, तो इसमें कुछ खास कंटेंट नहीं होगा। सुनिए जरा।
I'm saying, see, we are hypocritical.
Absolutely. And there's a gender bias in a certain way.
Yeah, if we ourselves are going to do the gender bias, when is the world going to stop talking about
Absolutely.
us and treat us equally as women?
Yeah.
First of all, when you go watch a film and there's a boy standing on the poster, we never say, "यार आज Friday को male oriented film देखने जाते हैं."
Exactly.
कोई नहीं कहता.
Absolutely. Yeah.
हम women oriented film क्यों कहते हैं?
Yeah.
आपको अच्छी लगी ट्रेलर जाके देखो, if it's a male protagonist or a female protagonist. I think that's important.
Right.
I mean, you need to think like that.
The male parts, which are slightly weaker, they're suddenly called women-centric, which is really sad because in no other profession do we have this. Like, you know, when you have a lady pilot flying a plane, she doesn't fly the plane like this because she's a female.
Absolutely.
She flies the plane exactly the way a male pilot would. So every profession has a male and female counterpart, but the job is the same. So an actor acts, a pilot flies, a journalist writes. So I would not give it a gender, apart from the fact that we look different and we look much better than the men.
Absolutely, couldn't agree more.
But yeah, I think, and it's now in the hands of all the journos to actually, especially the female ones, to change that trend.
Absolutely.
And to start calling Mardani a thriller rather than a woman-centric film.
Yeah.
I don't think a film can be defined by sex. You cannot say that this is a womanly film, or this is a manly film, this is a chick flick, or it's a man flick. If you have an audience, if you have an audience for it, and you know, as long as you're catering to that audience, it doesn't matter who they are.
स्टार्स की इन बातों से आज ये सोचना और पूछना जरूरी हो गया है, क्या इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री आज भी जेंडर बायस्ड है? क्या आज भी हीरोइंस को हीरो के कंपैरिजन में काफी कम वैल्यू दी जाती है? क्या आज भी ऑडियंस हीरो की फिल्म को हीरोइन की फिल्म के कंपैरिजन में ज्यादा प्रेफरेंस देती है? और सबसे बड़ा सवाल, क्या आज भी हमारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री मेल डोमिनेटिंग है? यस और नो? आज की बिग स्टोरी में हम खोजेंगे इसी सवाल का जवाब। आप सिर्फ टीवी का वॉल्यूम तेज कर लीजिए और देखते रहिए बॉलीवुड बिग स्टोरी। For Girish Deemri, Zoom, Mumbai।
तो चलिए डिबेट शुरू करते हैं और जानते हैं क्या बॉलीवुड एक हीरोइन और हीरो को बराबरी का दर्जा देती है?
I'm glad that people finally realize that women are not just props in a movie and not used just as decoration in a movie, and that we can actually bring some substance to a film. I think that's great.
It depends. The day an actress can carry like a 60-70 crore film, then probably. Because ultimately right now it's still the heroes that are, you know, the mega budget films that are being made are still on the heroes. The actresses are still doing the films. I mean, it's just 5 crores or 6 crores. So the revenue is, if it doubles, it's a hit.
जो भी इंडस्ट्री वर्ल्ड में हो, वो मेल डोमिनेटेड है. Whether it is Hollywood, where you have an Iron Man, or you have whatever commercial films, all James Bond for me, all Transformer, all the commercial films, even internationally, men get paid more in Hollywood, Bollywood, everywhere.
We shouldn't say that as a surprise. India is male dominated. It's not just the film industry. We like watching movies with boys taking revenge, and as a country. We like, you know, it is a male-dominated country as such. We as a culture are male-dominated. And of course, women are getting tremendous amount of, you know, power and tremendous amount of, you know, positions now. And the position of a female is really being, you know, accentuated in every field. But we're still male-dominated.
ये होता है कभी-कभी कि बॉलीवुड की एक्ट्रेसेस को काफ़ी बार मूवी में प्रॉप बना के रखा जाता है, लेकिन मेरा ये मानना है कि अब आप पे कोई घन रखे तो बोलता नहीं कि डू इट. You are the one who select the script. You are the one, you know, who want to do it. और मेरे हिसाब से किसी को इस चीज़ से शिकायत नहीं है, बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं अभी भी बॉलीवुड में वो मैन, वो जो बोलते हैं ना, बहुत वो अभी भी वैसी, ये अभी भी ऐसी इंडस्ट्री है. तो अभी जाके थोड़ी थोड़ी चीज़ें चेंज हो रही है. अब जाके डर्टी पिक्चर, क्वीन, ऐसी सब पिक्चर है, यू नो, बहुत ज़्यादा they are working. So now things are changing over here.
I think no, not at all. In fact, films like Queen and The Dirty Picture also, I think कि female actors को अभी मौका मिल रहा है to do more women-centric films. So I think कि time change हो रहा है. So I think that's great.
I think women power has always been there in Bollywood. I think it's a matter of a good film, a good script that was needed, and audience is always very welcoming towards good movies, good scripts. So I would not like to categorize any film as a woman-oriented or a male-dominated film, because in film history you've seen even male-dominated films not doing well, some male-dominated films doing extremely well, women-oriented films not making a mark at all, some women-oriented films really doing well. So it depends upon a good film and a bad film at the end of the day.
I mean, see, the scenario is not going to change overnight. I mean, like as I mentioned earlier, when films like Queen come out, yeah, of course there will be a change, but you cannot expect the entire industry to topple on its head overnight. I mean, like that's not going to happen. But having said that, at least it's a start. It's a start in the right direction, and I mean. I think maybe 5-10 years from now, things will start changing quite a bit. Yeah.
This phase keeps on coming and going. This whole thing that you talk about, actresses, you know, reigning the roost and getting to do what they want to do. It happens. It happens. It happens for a couple of films. It stops. Happens couple of films. Stops. So it's an on and off thing which has been going on in the business.
Yeah, it's a man's world to some extent. It is. We all have to accept that, of course. It's changing. Yeah. There is a change, and which is great. But definitely, I think I would think men rule. You're right.